RENAE CHRISTINE has a really fun Ultimate Architect course that teaches you how to create your own website. And I wanted to show you what I thought was really cool about my website that I created with Ultimate Architect. This is my Ultimate Architect built website. I sell crochet patterns. What I thought was really cool was she showed us how to make sliders, like you'll just see. She taught us how to make a logo and even how to pick our branding colors. So it's not just about building a website. It's about branding yourself and making yourself look professional, even in the handmade world. I have different headers across the top so my menus can drop down. Looks very professional. I have sliders. I have some different features across the front that pop in that we use with a different Elementor plugin, and she is very big on creating newsletters. So right here you can sign up for my newsletter and it pops up at the bottom of the page here. I can put that wherever I want it. So I think what I thought was best about Ultimate Architect was that I like that it created a very professional yet handmade looking website, and that it taught more than just website building. Because I'm not very tech savvy, it also showed us about picking branding colors, logos, and then it's step by step. There's no question about what to do next. It's not just to do this and let you figure out how to do it, but she tells you exactly what button to push, what to write in each section, which check marks to check and which ones to uncheck, so that it runs smoothly and is exactly like you wanted. So I'm very pleased with the website that I made. I would highly recommend that you would check out RENAE CHRISTINE's Ultimate Architect course.